and good morning Method 3. I'm going to explain Unit 15 concerning vocabulary. For the first section concerning vocabulary, here is the first word, development, which means the process of becoming advanced. Advertise, which means to make something known in public, especially to sell it. Pay, to give money. Transfer, to move from one place to another. Scam, a dishonest plan. Gallery, a room or a building, to display works. Range, to plan or prepare for something. Social media, websites used by people to communicate. Smartphone, which means a mobile phone that works as a computer. Monument, a statue or a building that is built to honor a special person. Entertain, to keep a group of people interested. Rob, to take money from a property illegally from a place, organization, or a person. Now I'm going to talk about if clauses. If clauses are used in a variety of different sentence patterns. So today I'm going to give kind of introduction into new few cases to use if clauses. So let's get started. First, I want to introduce two patterns to use if clauses. If clauses come at the beginning of a sentence and could be followed by a main clause. We could begin with the if statement and end with the main statement, and the opposite is also possible. A few things I want to talk about are how to use these sentences. We can use if clause sentence for making plans, and we can use it for talking about future activities, or in other words, potential activities. We can use it for past potential. This means things different in the past, or definitely things done differently in the past and the different outcome in the future. Finally, we can use it for advice and to give recommendations as well. These are useful kinds of sentences. I want to share a couple of ways you can use these as well as a couple of grammar points inside the sentences. So let's start. First, I want to look at if clauses as they begin with the if statement. So we use the if clauses to express a condition, which means some possibility or some potential. For example, if it's sunny tomorrow, which I mean if the weather is sunny tomorrow, so we use if at the beginning of the if clause to introduce the condition that it's going to lead us to the main clause. So our main clause can express a result, a potential result, as a recommendation, and can also express a question. So there are a lot of different things we can do with the main clause. So I'm going to look at a few examples here. For the first sentence, if it's sunny tomorrow, I'll go to the beach. Here I have if, the conditional of the weather, as if it's sunny tomorrow, I will. In this case, it sounds like the speaker has just made the decision. He has just made the plan. And pay attention, don't use will in the if clause. And let's take a look at something a little bit different. If we got approval for the project, we would begin on Monday. This is a potential situation. This sentence we might use when making a proposal. That means it's not in my control now. It hasn't been decided yet. Let's take a look at the past potential and resulting outcome of the past situation. If they have left the house earlier, they would have been on time. Here we created a more complex grammar sentence. This shows if something had been different in the past, a different outcome would have been resulted. I want also to talk about recommendations and questions, so you can use an if clause to introduce your condition. Like, if you go to Paris, you should visit the Louvre. You can use recommendations in the main clause. Or, if it rains this weekend, what do you want to do? This is a situation when you are looking for the listener's opinion. So, we talked about quickly at a few examples at each of these sentences. So, give them a try. God bless you, and tomorrow we will provide you with some exercises and their model answer. Have a good day. May the 3